One, Orlando Pirates, North Kaizer Chiefs. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game le. Maningi ama-positives and maningi futhi nama-negatives ale game le. Yabo. Coming to this game, many people expected Orlando Pirates to play better than Kaizer Chiefs. Expected Orlando Pirates to score more goals than Kaizer Chiefs. But the way both teams played, yabo, the way both teams played, it shows you ukuthi ngempela iSoweto Derby is one of the most unpredictable games in the whole of Africa. Yabo, once ubheke iTshwane Derby, Sundowns versus SuperSport, yabo leyo derby le predictable. Everyone knows which team will win against the iTshwane Derby. Everyone knows. But when it comes to Soweto Derby, basho njalo bathi iform, yabo, iform ayisho lutho. So ngiqale ngama-positives. Ama-positives ami kule game ngibhese kwi-Orlando Pirates. I liked the way uMakahleni Makhawula esebenze ngakhona esiswini. uMakahleni Makhawula kwisisu se-Orlando Pirates udlale kamnandi uMakahleni Makhawula. I feel like umbatha umbukele phansi. I don't know, umbatha akamsizanga kakhulu uMakahleni Makhawula lesasisu. Yebo, ngisayisho futhi nalento. Samdinga umdlali esoshintsha ngaye lapha esiswini. Umbatha mengaperform kahle. Udlale kamnandi uMakahleni Makhawula lapha esiswini. Another good game from Mfukeng ube nawo ama-glimpses ukuthi umfana uyi-star, even though umfana engatholanga igoli, yabo ube nawo ama-chances and ama-chances wakho ubowabona. Even the penalty ethole Orlando Pirates ubowabona ukuthi umfana ubefuna ukufinisha ngeKaizer Chiefs. Nako-ke urefi eseyibeka phansi uTito Maswanganye eyiconverta leya penalty leya. Yabo, ungidlalele kamnandi namhlanje uSibisi performed very very good today. Sibisi was very good. I don't know kwenzakalini ngoSesane. Sesane I feel like namhlanje ubetatazela. Sesane ubetatazela namhlanje. I don't know what happened because umtshita ngimjwayele mina ukumazi as umdlali okwaziyo ukurelax amethola ibhola. But today the guy was very careless. But ke bakwazile ukuthi bayikhiphe i-clean sheet. Yabo, we kept a clean sheet. We managed to walk away with 3 points. Ngizokhuluma ngama-negatives ke right now. Ama-negatives ami kule game le, yabo, kwi-side Orlando Pirates. Indlela Orlando Pirates edlangile ngakhona, i-approach ngakhona, like ucoach indlela i-approach ngakhona le game le. Yabo, ubefuna iKaizer Chiefs ukuyiqeda nge-first half. Befuna ukuyiqeda i-first half indlela abadlala ngakhona. Uma usubheka i-team njenge-Kaizer Chiefs ayikwazi ukudlala ibhola emuva. So uma udlala ne-team kanjalo, why did you start uMabasa ahead of uMakgopa? Yes, we know uMabasa uyakwazi ukuscora. uMabasa is one of the best players abakwazi ukukhahlela. But uMabasa uleka one thing, uMabasa akwazi ukupress. Le game le memele siyipress, memele sidlale i-high pressing against i-Kaizer Chiefs. We played a high pressing against the Al Ahly dlala le away. But kule game le cha asifunanga ukudlala high pressing because why sibukele phansi Kaizer Chiefs. Sibukele phansi sesifika ke kwi game Kaizer Chiefs yadlala better than us. The truth must be told, but Kaizer Chiefs played better than the Orlando Pirates kule game le because of the decisions that we took before the game. Yabo, bathatha ama-decisions are-wrong kule game le. uMakgopa bemele aqale kule game le. uHotso bemele abi right winger for me. uHotso bemele abi right winger bapressa iKaizer Chiefs because uHotso bengekho effective nge-first half. Ave maniyibonile inlonto, uHotso bengekho effective nge-first half. Uzoba effective sebemkhuphula uHotso siyaphambili. Yabo, kule game le bemele siyipress because iKaizer Chiefs isizophela igame bese siyipressa kakhulu. Kungena uShandu wangena uMarco. Laba badlali labo banikeze Orlando Pirates ama-numbers ukuthi bakwazi ukuyipress iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs i-team okwazi ukuyipress. Yabo, thina kule game le bemele siyipress iKaizer Chiefs. Unkota bengamela iqala, bemele angene second half. Sesikwazile ukuyipress first half because kube siyipressile bezowenza ama-mistakes. Yabo, baqalile bawenza ama-mistakes, sathola i-loophole usisikwazi uku-attack. Maswanganye bengekho on for me. Maswanganye, this is not the Maswanganye that I know. Kule game le, this is not the Tito Maswanganye I know. Yabo, ngijwayele ukubona uTito Maswanganye animated, one of the best players esinabo lapha, but today he didn't show those glimpses ukuthi yabo mhlawumbe wakhombisile for me kwi-penalty. Yabo, kwi-penalty ungikhombisile athi vele uTito Maswanganye lo simjwayele, but in the whole entire game umtshida bengekho on. Yabo, Kaizer Chiefs ibidlala amnandi namhlanje. Kulo mdlalo omusha weKaizer Chiefs bathi gqo 99 19 lo mjidi usazoshisa kwiKaizer Chiefs yabo usazoshisa iKaizer Chiefs kumele yenze shows lo mdlali yakha around yena because mingaki around yena uzovela afane njengabanye bonke abadlali asebadlalela iKaizer Chiefs abasha bebeyijoyina bafike babhede lapha yabo angibonanga kakhulu olwenziwe ucele yabo afile kubenza ama-foul amaningi center uDlamini ufikile naye yabo waqhamuka uDlamini wenza izinto zenzeke yabo uintroduce kaDlamini kusinikezile futhi ama chances phambili yabo but ke 1-0 Orlando Pirates itholile u3 points iyakhuphuka lapha kwithebula yabo game ezodecide ileague le game leso idlala against iMamelodi Sundowns kule game le for me I feel like le game le ucoach ubonile ama mistakes ekumele siwagweme mesodlala namathima amakhulu kumele siqhube ngeapproach esijwayele ukuapproacha ngayo bokunayo sorry medlala ama game amakhulu ucoach ujwayele uqalisa uMahobho final yeNedbank kwaqala uMahobho Stellenbosch kwaqala uMahobho ngosikazidlana against Stellenbosch sadlala nani futhi neAl Ahly from no mistaken kwaqala uMahobho yabo in those games you see ukuthi kahle kahle ucoach usuke planning kule game le afila kuidelela kakhulu iKaizer Chiefs and leyo nto le iyabheda that's a big game and abantu abaningi bayibukela yabo so ukuzofaka laba yebo abangajwayele ukupressa phambili uNkoda afila like coach umlethe down uNkoda kumele aqhamuke as a substitute because uNkoda uyayiqala idabi yabo lento le umfana izomlimaza kakhulu because it was his first derby and yena uzoyibona ngathi ubhedile indlela adlala ngakhona because usubstitute kwafaka uDlamini yabo umfana uzoyibona ngathi ubhedile umfana udlale kamnandi for me ungidlalela kamnandi uNkoda first half second half indlela esiqala ngakhona second half I feel like besingekho that yabo effective into bedlala ngayo iside lethe elilodwa belisebenza but the right hand side bingasebenzi enye futhi into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo besimdinga usale ngile game le if usale ngibe khona bezokwenza something but ke ubengekho yabo ubengekho but ke akusinani ungangitshela ama comments uthi ikuphi wena okuthandile ngale game ukuphi okubhedile ngale game uVane Sports lo ungakhohlwa ukufollow usubscribe ngiyabonga.